So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 3 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic Jesus teaching about himself. So guys, this video will be on the door, the lamb, and the good shepherd. So ensure to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, the man sent from God to bear witness to the light was A. Prophet Isaiah, B. Peter, C. Jesus, D. John the Baptist. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. Yeah, that's John the Baptist, like we all know. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. Alright, we have here question number 2. It says, for he who enters by the door is the shepherd of the sheep. The door in the statement above refers to A. the law, B. Peter, C. the gospel, D. Jesus. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. That's Jesus. And that is for this question. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. And that's last. So here's question 3 of 3 and the last. It says, John the Baptist referred to Jesus as the Lamb of God. A. When he ascended. B. With whom God is well pleased. C. Who takes away the sin of the world. D. Who has been endowed with great power. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's the Lamb of God who takes away sin of the world. And that is for this question. So this is where we end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examination. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.